Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a simple AI method to make money online. You can get this set up fast and start earning quickly. This is a new method I haven't shared before, so stick around until the end to get in on it before others do. I'll guide you step by step, covering everything you need to know so you won't miss any details. This method works worldwide, so no matter where you're located, you're good to go. Let's dive into the tutorial and get started on earning money online. We post new content every week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now, before we jump into the method, there are a few tools you'll need to sign up for, so let's get into that. This video might be quick because this method is super easy to follow. Let's get started with the first website you'll need. The first site you'll need to sign up for is clickbank.com. Head over to the website and click Start Here to create an account. Since I'm already logged in, I'll skip that part, but make sure to go to clickbank.com and get set up. Next, you'll want to visit youragent.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you can access it easily. This tool will be necessary for what we're going to do. Now, there are two approaches here. If you're looking for a free option, you can sign up at medium.com. This offers a free version of what we'll be working on. Alternatively, you can opt for a paid option like bluehost.com. I'll include an affiliate link in the description. Either option works, but the paid version will be better in the long run, especially for what we're aiming to do here. For this tutorial, I'll be using the paid version, but you can absolutely use medium.com if you prefer. So let's jump into how you can start making money with this. First, head over to clickbank.com and get your account ready. Once you're signed in to clickbank.com, I'm going to assume you've already set up your website. You don't need to worry too much about the setup process, as it's pretty straightforward, and most platforms guide you through the steps. Once your website is ready, it should have basic posts and content, but don't stress about that because we'll be using AI to generate all the content for you. So after signing up for ClickBank, the next step is getting familiar with the platform. ClickBank has a marketplace full of products you can promote and earn commissions from. For example, let's take this product as an example. By clicking on Promote, you'll get an affiliate link. This link allows you to earn commissions, say around $149 per sale, every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. There are many different categories you can explore on ClickBank, including options like making money online, animals, and many more, depending on what niche you want to focus on. There are tons of categories on ClickBank, ranging from computers to betting systems, cooking, wine, and much more. What I'd recommend is picking a product that doesn't have a lot of competition. You can research this to find a good option. One thing to look for is a product with a high gravity score. This indicates that many people are making sales with it, meaning it's in demand and likely to convert well. Once you're comfortable navigating ClickBank, head over to youragent.com, the AI tool we'll be using. Go to the settings and connect the platform where your website is hosted. For example, if you've created a WordPress site through Bluehost or a similar service, you would select WordPress and follow the steps to connect it. If you're using the free option like medium.com, you would select that platform instead. Alternatively, for WordPress, you could choose either wordpress.com or wordpress.org, depending on your setup. Once you have your site connected, you'll be ready for the next steps. Next, you'll want to head to the auto-blogging feature on your AI platform and select the option to create hundreds of SEO-optimized blog posts. The key here is volume. We're aiming to generate lots of content to maximize the number of clicks. Back on ClickBank, as I mentioned, you'll want to choose a product with a high gravity score, meaning it's popular and frequently searched. The idea behind this tutorial is to create a large amount of content to drive traffic. Instead of focusing on just a couple of blog posts, we're going to generate thousands. Even if each post gets only one click per day, that can add up to hundreds or even thousands of clicks. For this example, let's say you've picked a product. Click on the product and take a look at its homepage to understand what it's about. You'll copy some relevant text from there, which you can use to help generate your AI-driven content. In this case, let's use a product about, for instance, tea. If someone clicks through your blog post and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Once your website is connected to the auto-blogging software, you're ready to post articles automatically. This will allow you to generate a high volume of content quickly. You can schedule the posting of articles based on your preference. For example, if you choose random, it will automatically post an article on your website between 1 to 24 hours. Alternatively, you can set it to post every specific time interval, like every 1, 2, 3, or 5 hours. If you set it to 1 hour, a new fully optimized article will be posted every hour, which means you won't need to manage it manually. For the article length, you can choose between short, standard, medium, long, or extra long. Then, you'll need to enter an AI prompt for the article. For instance, you can write something like, "Write me an article about Java Burn, the world's first all-natural formula," etc. If you want images in your articles, there's an option to input an image prompt as well. Next, you'll add relevant keywords such as Java Burn and Java Burn Review. You can also use tools like ChatGPT to help generate additional keywords. For instance, you can prompt it by saying, "I'm writing an article about a health tea," and it can provide a list of useful keywords for your content. For keyword generation, you can use ChatGPT to get a list of relevant keywords for your affiliate review of Java Burn. For example, you could ask, "Give me 20 keywords for an affiliate review of Java Burn," and it will provide a solid list. Once you have the list, copy the keywords into your auto-blogging tool. It may require adding each keyword individually, but that's easy to manage. Next, you'll need to insert your affiliate link. To do this, go back to ClickBank, click on Promote, enter your account name, and generate your affiliate link. Copy that link and paste it into the auto-blogging tool where it asks for the affiliate URL. You can specify what text you want linked, like "By Java Burn" or simply "Java Burn." Every time the article is posted and includes that text, it will link directly to your affiliate page. Once set up, you might want to double-check the published articles to ensure everything is working smoothly, but overall, this process will automatically include your affiliate link in the content. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with the configuration, you can click Generate Post, and the system will start posting your articles automatically. I accidentally triggered it, but if we move forward, you'll see that it's set to post an article every hour, complete with your affiliate link embedded. You can edit these posts whenever you like, which gives you full control over the content even after it's been generated. This automated system is excellent for continuously posting affiliate marketing articles on your site, driving thousands of potential clicks to your affiliate links without constant manual effort. Here's an example of an article that was automatically generated by AI on one of my sites. It was a test to see how well the system works, and even though I no longer use this particular website, I continue to apply it on my main affiliate sites. The article is clear and easy to read, though it lacks images. Another example is an article about preventing fishing line tangling. This too was fully written by AI and SEO optimized. This method offers a highly efficient way to create a large volume of content with minimal effort, helping drive traffic and earn commissions through affiliate links. To make money with affiliate marketing, all you need is a product from clickbank.com, like the Java Burn example we used. Next, set up a website, either paid or free. I recommend using a paid option since it's more beneficial in the long run. Once your site is ready, follow the steps I outlined earlier to connect your website and use AI to generate optimized articles automatically. You can schedule posts to be published every hour, day, or at any interval you choose, with your affiliate links embedded in the content. However, I suggest checking the post periodically to ensure your affiliate links are included correctly. Scroll through the content to verify that everything posted as expected and that the links are functioning properly. Sometimes technical issues might cause links to not post correctly, so it's good to double check. And that's it. It's a fantastic way to leverage AI and affiliate marketing to start earning money online right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. Also, tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.